Good day everybody and welcome back to Edmeister Tech. Today I'm just going to do a short video for you just to show you how to change the battery of the Samsung Galaxy Tag 2. So reason for this video is I received quite a lot of inquiries from people asking if I use Samsung, if I use Android, and if I do, have I ever used the Samsung Galaxy Tags 2. I've never reviewed the tags though, although I've been using them for the last 2 years. But I've received questions from friends and family asking how do we replace the battery because they just can't seem to find it. It's actually quite simple, quite easy, and probably not even necessary to make this video. But because so many people asked me, I thought let's make a quick tutorial, show you physically how to do it, and it's so easy, and then you can use your tag going forward. So today the tag we have in question is the one I've been using for the last 2 years. This is the Samsung Galaxy Tag 2. As you can see, it's just a normal tag, and this connects to your Samsung phone, your Samsung account, and you can use it like the Apple AirTags to find wallets, keys, whatever you want to use, laptop bags, just to make sure you always have an eye on your equipment. This one specifically is now flat, and it has been giving me notifications that it has been flat for last week, and I decided let's do this tutorial so that you can see how to change the battery, and it just makes your life easier in future as well. So to change the battery, all you're going to need is firstly your Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2, the one that I have here. This is the one that is currently flat, or the battery is flat, and I need to change it. Then you will have to get a replacement battery. The replacement battery needs to be a CR2032 battery. So the battery that I'm using to replace is going to be the Duracell Unicell CR2032 battery. You need to replace it with the CR2032 battery, since this is the one that it came with as well, or the same one that it came with, and you need to make sure you replace it with this one. So you're going to have to get your Samsung SmartTag, Galaxy SmartTag 2. You're going to have to get the replacement battery that you're going to put into it. And then you can use either one of those clips that you use to remove the SIM card tray of your phone. Or if you don't have one of those clips, just take a paper clip and bend it to this. I like using a paper clip that's bended like this, as it can reach everywhere. And that is basically all you are going to need to change the battery of the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2. So first step is going to be you take the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2, and then you're going to take the paper clip, and if you look there, you'll see there's a small opening within the ring of the SmartTag 2, and that is where you're going to have to press the paper clip or the SIM card tray remover to push out the battery tray, and the battery tray is here. As you can see there's the battery tray. So all you're going to do is you're going to just press in your paper clip to that hole like this. You are going to push it firmly up until it pops open. So as you can see there, we popped out the battery tray. There's the battery tray there. And now you can just literally shift this thing around so the battery doesn't fall out. If you have it with the Samsung logo facing you, and this piece there facing you, this hole in the Galaxy tag, then the battery won't fall out when you remove the tray. And now all you can do is just remove the tray gently, and there is the battery tray. And as you can see, the battery that it came with originally also was a CR2032, and that is why we're going to replace it with another CR2032. So just take out the battery, it comes out as easy as that. Make sure you put the new battery in like this so that it doesn't fall out at the back. That's how you're going to know it has been placed in the correct order. And then now this just needs to be put back or placed back into your Galaxy SmartTag 2. And to do this, remember, have this hole facing towards you with the side of the battery that is balanced and not falling through facing you as well. And then all you need to do is just put this in there and just press it firmly in. As soon as you pressed it in firmly, as you can hear, it made that little beep sound. That now indicated that a new battery has been inserted to it, and now your Galaxy SmartTag 2 will be working 100% again. Right, everybody, so there you have it. That is how you can change the battery of your Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2. It's quite simple, quite easy, and now you also know how to do it. If you do like my content, please consider subscribing to this channel, as I would like to give you a lot more content in the future. And unfortunately, to create more content, I would have to get a bit more viewer base, a bit more subscriber base, and a bit more view time. So please consider supporting my channel. Please consider helping me grow, and let's see if we can take this to the next level. Comment on the video below if you have any specific things that you would like to know, or anything that you have in mind that you would like to just get some more information on. Sometimes we just like a second opinion or just somebody else's opinion on something, and that's basically what I'm here for. That is the goal of my channel. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and please help me grow this channel so I can give you more content. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Cheers.